Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna for those of you that are new. So I have exciting news. I am currently, well not currently, but I am moving to New York City. It's not too far from my house. I am moving in December and I have a bunch of videos of when I was looking for apartments. So I figured I would make a video like looking at apartments in New York City, and one of them is the one that we chose. I'm living with two other friends and I'm obsessed with it. So I wanted to share with you guys the apartments that we saw. You guys can comment down below and guess which one we chose, what's your favorite, leave in the comments down below. But I'm currently in Palm Beach right now at my boyfriend's beach house, and I'm kind of talking a little low, but yeah, so I will show you guys the apartments that we saw, and then after this I'll probably upload my empty apartment tour. Yeah, I'm so excited to be moving and I can't wait to do all the moving vlogs and all that fun stuff. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're not already. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description below. And yeah, let's get into this video because I never made an intro and I filmed this like in November. So yeah, let's get on into the video.